Don't tell me you locked out again. Hi, how are you, man? I'm sorry, I'm looking for the different way. There we go. What is this? It's not mine.
Oh, that's his. I got
Alright, you gotta open your trunk. You have no buttons there? Oh. Okay, let's see. Yep, there we go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Alright.
You got it? Okay, I'm gonna follow you, okay? Alright. Thanks so much, man. Have a great day, okay? Thanks. Don't tell me you locked out again.